Hi there, I'm Dana.
Hey, it's Marty. We're with Fun Fantasy Ritual.
And we are coming to you with the date idea of the week.
Ooh, I love date ideas.
What about a cooking class?
I love that. Our first FFR was actually a cooking class at Sur la Table.
Here's a picture.
That's living
can see.
proof right there. That is yours truly, the both of us, that it was a surprise for Dana. It was the very first time
The
that
FFR that started it all.
the FFR that started it all. God, that was a great night.
It was so awesome. And this is what started the tradition back almost 4 years ago, where we
Wow.
told me to wear comfortable shoes because we would be standing, the most
Right.
important thing. And he said, look cute. No idea where we're going. Got in the Uber or Lyft, and we he also said, oh, I see you're going to Scottsdale Fashion Square. And he goes,
Don't say anything else.
don't say anything else. Yeah.
Yes.
So from now on, we learn when we get into an Uber, say this is a surprise date, so don't say where we're going. So
Exactly,
we
'cause
learned that quickly.
We want it to be a surprise until the very last moment, and at least she knew which mall we were going to, but didn't know what store or what place we were going to.
I was wondering, I'm like, are FFRs
mall?
at the mall? And it turned out way better than I thought it was going to
a
be.
great
So
cooking class.
yeah, we started out with cocktails first, and then headed over to Sur la Table and had an Italian cooking class, and so it was really great. So there's lots of ways that you can actually do a cooking class, though. You can find a local place in your area. You can, there's actually online cooking classes. You can even hire a chef in Paris or Rome or Spain to teach you how to make paella, and you buy all the ingredients and they will be virtual online instructing you how to make
I
it.
love that. And tell them about Haley, who we met, because we had a special cooking demonstration and class here at the house.
Oh, yes. Living by Grace, Haley with Living by Grace, she came to our house and we had a raw vegan cooking demonstration in our home for some of our friends. So it was kind of a fun friend ritual.
Yeah, and for those of you that are a little nervous or afraid of raw and vegan, I got to tell you, the meals that she made were absolutely incredible. Now there was a Caesar salad, which doesn't take a big stretch, right, to be raw and vegan, but there was
cheese.
Right, that's true. But there was the noodles. Oh, it was
Fettuccine Alfredo.
fettuccine alfredo that was made with cashews, and then there was an apple pie that was
a no-bake apple
unbelievable.
pie. That was one of the most
Amazing.
delicious I've ever had.
Yeah, so just because somebody tells you it's raw and vegan, don't put your nose up on it. Give it a try, because it
Right.
was really, really good.
So, and you can check out our blog for some more date ideas. Another at-home date idea for a cooking class would be to buy your partner a beautiful cookbook. It could be something with 5 ingredients, or it could be like a really elaborate cookbook. And then highlight the page, like go and buy all the ingredients all ready to go inside with the recipes you want to cook in the cookbook. Mark the pages, wrap it up, give it to your partner as a gift. And then you can cook at home that night, and you'll have all of the ingredients already there. And so you can do an at-home cooking night, but make it something a little bit special and make it more of a surprise. So
That's fun. I like that FFR.
yeah, there's all kinds of twists. So check out our blog for more date ideas, and we hope you will try either a going out or an at-home cooking night in your neck of the woods soon.
See ya.